Good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys. My name is Siddharth. Welcome to Kitchen Cuts. Today I am going to show you a very simple recipe made up of watermelon, which is a soft drink or a cold drink you can say. So a very few ingredients are required in making this. It's very simple. So please watch my full video. Thank you.
For this you will require rock salt, that is shendalon meat in Marathi, cumin seeds powder, that is jeera powder in Marathi, ice cubes, 2 tablespoons of Kokam syrup and 1 full glass of watermelon juice. Take a jar of your choice and add some ice into it. You can also add pudina if you want. I have not included in it. Pudina will improve its taste. It was not available due to lockdown. Now add a Kokam syrup in it. And now watermelon juice. Make sure your watermelon is sweet enough to make a combination of sweet and sour. Now put rock salt in it as per your taste requirement. And now cumin seed powder. Finally, you can add some cubes of watermelon. You can also chop it fine if you want. Now stir a little bit and add a straw, and it is ready to be served.
So that was watermelon Kokam sharbat. So as you saw, there are very few ingredients which you will require in making this sharbat. So I suggest you to try it at home and do let me know in the comment box below. And if you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and also share it with your friends and families. Thank you very much.